Your black outdoor fixture with the 60-watt maximum light bulb not included, with a nice design that curls around, glass around, with metal going around the glass, with a design that shines on the wall and lights up. What we're going to be doing is show you how simple it is to set up and what you get in the box. The black outdoor light is lit up. The glass, it has octagon or circular designs all over. It throws a nice light. It's IP rated. It does a nice job showing light of your door, hallway, entryway, back, front, side of the house. We're going to open up the Zanritelit box. You have the instruction guide, how to get started. You have the hardware and top cap to put on. And opening up the box, you have the light and the design in a plastic case. Made of glass, metal, the bracket. The light requires a 60-watt light bulb for outdoor, an E26, not included. Some assembly and disassembly is required. Removing the top small bell nuts will get you into the light bulb area, the glass housing. Simply remove, place in your maximum up to 60-watt light bulb. The top is protected by metal right angles so the glass will not come out and is easily accessible to clean. Reassemble your light fixture. Lock down your bell nuts. The removal of the bracket is removing the bell nuts on the back plate and hanging up in the area of location of your choice. With the bracket to the outlet mounting system locked down. Adjustment required. Hook your ground lead up. Attach your load and neutral leads. They are marked and placed back on, and cover your leads through your area and lock down. The removal of the fixture is simply holding the bottom, removing the bell nuts, taking the bottom nipple and locking into place like so. Slide back into place. And lock the bell housing nuts back on. In the evening hour, we'll show you the light lit up. It can be controlled by a remote control, a switch, a dimmer switch, and more. We're going to display the unit with the 60-watt maximum bulb of a warm Kelvin. So if you're interested in a light that lights up your area, decorates your hallway, your doorway, your entry, this light may be something that you are looking for in a lighting product. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you. So if you're interested in a light that lights up your area, decorates your hallway, your doorway, your entryway, this light may be something that you are looking for in a lighting product.